Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be kicking off another series on my channel. I'm going to be calling it Pass or Purchase, where basically I talk about 4 to 5 new releases or items slash collections that are going to be coming out and whether I'm going to purchase them or pass on buying them. And I'm going to try to do this on a weekly basis. Honestly, I could do this on a daily basis because, let's be honest, makeup comes out so damn frequently that it's hard to keep up with, and it's almost like on a daily basis. So for the sake of this video, I think I picked maybe 5 products or collections that were just released. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what new releases there are in the world of makeup, then just keep watching. So I'm going to be getting all my information off my phone, and I'm getting my information from n.y.m.p.h's Instagram page. She's known for putting out like the 411 on what makeup is coming out or was just released. So that's where I'm getting my information from. So the first product that I'm going to be talking about is a collab. It's Ofra Cosmetics and Talia Mar, if I'm saying that correctly. And it looks like she came out with 2 highlighter shades, I believe. So let me just quickly show you guys the picture. I figured this is like the easiest way to do it. Hopefully it's focusing. These shades look absolutely stunning. I actually own 1 highlighter shade from Ofra. It's Rodeo Drive. Actually, no, wait, I own 2. I own Rodeo Drive and I think Ofra Bliss. I love Ofra highlighters. So these are available now on Ofra's website. I don't think Ofra is sold anywhere else, just on their actual website. It says that these are going to be $35 each. Now for a highlighter, I feel like that kind of is a little bit pricey. That's a high-end price. Generally speaking, I don't own too much from Ofra, but I know that they're more on like the higher end when it comes to pricing their items. But the quality is really there for Ofra, especially their highlighters, which I've actually used, and their highlighters will last you a really long time. So the shades are Covent Garden, which is a scene-stealing champagne rose, and then Soho, which is the sparkling champagne peach. So this shade right here, you guys, is Covent Garden. I believe it's the more champagne colored highlighter. I actually think I might purchase it only because I do love Ofra highlighters, so I will have to look into that. The other shade that looks more gold, I'm just gonna pass on. Okay, so the next new release that is available right now is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Mask. Now let me show you guys a picture of it. That's what it looks like right there. Hopefully it's focusing again. Okay, so let's read what it says about it. So it says, a creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing moisture mask formulated to instantly boost skin's health and restore radiance. Replenishing hyaluronic acid and jojoba oil pair up to hydrate, plump, and protect skin's moisture barrier. Probiotics help balance skin's microbiome, while an antioxidant-rich superfood berry blend nourishes, packed with beetroot and hibiscus. So this is going to retail for $49. That, you know, is a little bit pricey. Honestly, I find that the Glam Glow products don't last that long. I think maybe 3 years ago, I purchased like 1 or 2 Glam Glow masks, and I feel like for what I paid for it, it didn't really last that long. But I know that they do always have coupon codes, which is good. Like if you go on that website, Retail Me Not or whatever, they have, I believe back then they used to have coupon codes. So in the comments, it's like saying that they test on animals. So I don't really like that. That's not cool. I don't know how true that is. I'm just looking to see if there's anything else I need to tell you guys. But, I mean, it sounds nice. I don't know if I'm gonna, I think I might just pass on this one. I don't do a lot of masks, to be honest with you guys. I just have my regular skincare routine. And sometimes I'll do like sheet masks. So I think for this one, the Glam Glow Berry Glow, I think I'm just gonna pass on it. So the third product that I'm going to be talking about is from Huda Beauty. I have to go really slow saying Huda Beauty because I always will say like Huda, like I always will say it wrong. So Huda Beauties, and it is the n.y.m.p.h, aka Not Your Mama's Pantyhose Body Highlighter. So that, in my opinion, it's kind of a weird name, but it honestly looks beautiful. Let me just show you guys this picture first, and then there's another picture with like the swatches. I don't want to get too close up because I know that my camera will not focus it, but that's what it looks like. As you guys can see, looks beautiful from the pictures. So it says It's a body highlighter, liquid glow, blurs imperfections, and adds a stunning sun-kissed tint to the skin. It's transfer, sweat, and water resistance, water-based formula with light reflecting pearl pigments that give the most insanely smooth, glossy finish. There's 3 shades. Luna is for fair and light tones. Aphrodite is packed with rich gold pearls for a golden bronze finish tan and medium skin tones. And Aurora is a toasty copper shade loaded with warm golden bronze pearls to add radiance to rich skin tones. It's going to retail for $33, and it will be available May 3rd online at Huda Beauty and Sephora, and then May 17th in stores. So let me and I feel like a lot of these like body glow highlighters are like coming out. I know Rihanna like has one, but hers is like really, I think hers, what did I say the price was for this one? $33. There was like one that I saw in a video, I forget whose, and it looks so beautiful, but it was like $50. So this actually is $33. The pricing is not that bad. So hopefully you guys can kind of see the swatches right there of the 3 shades. And the one in the middle, Aphrodite, I think that would look beautiful. The only thing is, like, I don't know, like, I'd like to see, hold on, my phone just went black, sorry you guys. I would like to see kind of like what it looks like rubbed in. I don't know, because that kind of looks very pigmented to wear on the skin. I'm sure if you rubbed it in, it would look better. Let me see if there's any more pictures of kind of like what it looks like rubbed in. No, not really. So I don't know. I mean, I'm sure it would look beautiful in the sun. Here's another picture of like just the 3 shades like dabbed onto the skin. So for me, I think for this one, the price is pretty good. I know for the spring and the summer, these products are great to wear outdoors because you will glow to the gods. Your skin will look so nice. Now, I would just want to see this like rubbed onto the skin, and these like, you know, there's the swatches show one thing, but it doesn't really show like it actually like blended out into the skin. If that's how it looks like, obviously I'm, you know, not going to wear that because I'm going to look weird. So if I did see that, then I would probably go for that middle like champagne-y shade Aphrodite. I would. So this is going to be right now a pass until I see what it looks like actually blended out on people's skin. Probably once it's released, there'll be a whole bunch of YouTubers that will be sharing it. So once I see what it looks like, then I will make my full decision. So next is a new collection that is available now from Kylie Cosmetics, and it's the Kybrow collection. Now, Kylie Jenner in Kylie Cosmetics, that's one brand I remember, and I don't know if it's still, but it probably is, where she'd be releasing things like every single month, like collections. But you got to give it to her because she runs a successful company. She's a billionaire. So, but it's just like to keep up with everything for me, it's like I'd be broke. But anyway, so she came out with a brow collection, the Kybrow collection. Let me just show you guys this picture first. There are a decent amount of pictures in this, so I will read first and then show you guys more of the pictures. So the collection includes a brow pencil, ultra-fine tip for precise detailing, and spoolie for brushing and blending. That's going to retail for $14. So I don't know about this one because my go-to, I've mentioned in a million videos, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and that is my go-to. I tried so many others and it just doesn't cut it for me. I always go back to it. So I actually might want to try this one to see if it's just as good because it is a little bit cheaper. So that is going to come in blonde, auburn, cool brown, medium brown, dark brown, and ebony. So there's not as many shades as the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I don't know if the blonde shade would work for me, if it'd be too light, so we'll have to see. Next is the brow pomade. A lot of these honestly are going to be similar to like a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills products in my opinion. So there's the brow pomade. It says it's smudge proof and buildable to define and fill effortlessly. There's going to be the same 6 shades as well. That's going to retail for $16. There's going to be a brow powder duo, 2 velvety smooth powders for a customizable soft and natural look, and that's again same 6 shades. It's going to retail for $16. Then there's the brow gel, lightweight brush on gel with extreme hold and setting powder. $16 is what it's going to retail or setting powder, sorry, not setting powder, and it's going to retail for $16. Then there's a brow highlighter, 2 formulas, matte and shimmer, sculpt with creamy matte highlight, and add soft glow to arches with shimmer highlight and sharpener. That will retail for $12, and it's the same shades as well. Or actually, no, there's light shimmer, light matte, medium shimmer, medium matte, dark shimmer, dark matte. There's going to be a brow brush, define with angled brush tip and blend with spoolie. That's going to retail for $10. So if you guys know a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills or even Benefits brow products for that matter, it's a lot of the same products. Even I own the Anastasia Beverly Hills double-ended brush, but I believe it's a little bit more money than the one she's coming out with. Then there's going to be a duo kit, which is a brow pencil and brow gel, which retails for $24. And then lastly, the ultimate Kybrow kit, which is going to be a brow pencil, gel, brush, and pomade for $45. So I think you'd probably be saving a little bit money if you were to get the kit. So let me just see if there's a little bit. So that's, it looks like it's the powders and the pomades in that picture right there, if you guys can see. And then those are what the brow pencils look like. Again, I might honestly, I think I'm going to pass on everything else. I don't do pomades and I don't do powders anymore, but I've tried all of them from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but lately my preference is pencils again. So I might honestly just want to try that out. You know, it's $14. The Brow Wiz retails for $21, so it's a little bit cheaper. I think here's some of the shades if you guys are interested. Some of the darker shades there, too dark for me. And then these are what the highlighters look like. I own some of the Benefit ones, the Benefit brow highlighters. And yeah, so I'm not gonna, and that's what the brow gel looks like as well. So for me, I think I'm gonna pass on the rest, but I might purchase the brow pencil again just to see how it is and if it compares to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I just feel like that's just going to be a lifer product for me. I've mentioned it before. So the last collection that I'm going to mention is available now, and it is at Ulta Beauty, Sephora, and Macy's. It's a collaboration, Urban Decay Cosmetics and Game of Thrones. So I know that that's a very popular show. Don't hate me, I am not on that bandwagon. Me and my husband might start it. I know my parents watch it and like everybody in the world watches it. So, you know, I don't know. I mean, I feel like I would like it, so we shall see. I probably will start it, but anyways, and I see this a lot of makeup companies will collab with like a movie or a show or whatever. So it's a very popular thing to do. So let me just show you guys, that's what the collection kind of looks like. Hopefully if you guys can see. Let me just read a little bit about it. So it says, inspired by our favorite places in Westeros, and I'm going to probably be butchering the pronunciations with this because I don't watch the show. Inspired by our favorite places in Westeros and the strong woman of the Seven Kingdoms, from the shores of Dragonstone to the frozen lands beyond the wall, this collection will let you create looks inspired by House Stark, House Targaryen. I know I'm butchering her name, and I know that's, you know, I know who she is on the show. House Lannister, and the White Walkers. So this is a limited edition, and it includes Mother of Dragons highlight palette, 3 new shades of Afterglow highlighter, which retails for $36. So let me see if I can, I think that's that actually looks really pretty. I think that's what that is right there. And then next is Dracarys, I know I'm pronouncing that wrong again, lip and cheek stain, a universally flattering Targaryen here at 10 retails for $26. I know I don't watch the show. I know I'm not saying these things right. So let me see if I can find the, I think that's what the lip stain looks like right there, as you guys can see. And then let's see, the third product is a waterproof 24/7 glide on eye pencil, 4 new shades for $22, and the shades are Dragon Smoke, Lannister Gold, The Night King, and Winterfell Snow. So let's see if they've got that. Yeah, that's it right there. Again, if I go too close, I feel like it's probably going to not be in focus. And then fourth is the Vice lipsticks. There's 4 shades. They retail for $19 each in I shouldn't even bother reading these, to be honest with you guys, but I will attempt to pronounce everything. Cersei Lannister, which is a metallic bronze, Daenerys Targaryen, Fairy Red, Sansa Stark, a Warm Peach Nude, and White Walker, a Deep Berry Wine. So let me see if I have that picture. Yes, I do. That's what that looks like. It looks like some really pretty shades there. And then, I don't know if I'd wear any of those shades. They might just be too dramatic for me. And then there's Jon Snow's Long Claw and Arya Stark's Needle eyeshadow brushes, which retail for $28. So let me flip to, I don't know if that's it. They look like swords. I don't know if that's them. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't know if that's even the correct picture or not. So let's see. And then lastly, or no, the next is the Game of Thrones eyeshadow palette. That's going to retail for $65. So that's what it looks like all swatched out. And honestly, you guys, it comes with like 20 shades and it's $65. So I feel like that's a little bit pricey in my opinion. But for Game of Thrones fans, you might really honestly want to add this to your collection. It's kind of cool that it's collaborating with the makeup world. And then lastly is the Game of Thrones Vault, which is $250. So basically that's going to be everything here again in the original picture I showed you for $250. So if you are a Game of Thrones fan, then I would definitely add this to your collection. Now it's weird because it says available now, but it says that it will be available May 2nd in store. So that means probably it's available online now, but it'll be available at Ulta, Sephora, and Macy's on May 2nd. So for me, honestly, you guys, I'm going to pass on this whole collection. Nothing really looks like it interests me. Okay, guys, so let me know in the comments down below. Are any of these items or collections that I mentioned, are you going to buy, are you going to purchase them, or are you going to pass on them? Let me know. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.